restricted as a spectrum in the third class. So predict. So this is a powdery mildew. So level of powdered image. So this is a common rust. So database. Totally we predict. Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the project name called crop disease prediction. The aim of this project is to identify the crop diseases at an early stage using a leaf images. So traditional disease detection is manual and may lead to errors. So the system uses a hybrid CNN and BGG16 model for accurate disease classification. To predict the diseases provides confidence score, risk analysis, and treatment recommendation through a web application, helping farmers reduce crop losses and improve productivity. So this is the block diagram. So the system starts with the input if image upload, followed by the pre-processing like resizing and normalization. Then the image is passed through two branches: CNN for extract basic features, BGG16 for a deep feature extraction. So these features are combined using feature fusion and passed through dead size for a disease prediction. After prediction, the system performs risk analysis and recommendation generation and finally displays the result to the web application. So this is the code to train the model. So we had used two models. So one is a CNN model, another one is a VGG16 model. So after training, we know the model in the name of hybrid CNN VGG16. So this is our output. We are using a Flash to integrate the backend to the front end, and we are using a SQLite3 for a database. So here you can see we had upload the trained model here. Based on this trained model only, our system is going to predict the disease. So to run, we need to type Python space app.py. It will produce a link. We need to follow that link. This is the dashboard. We have a prediction and database for that. So if you go for a prediction with the image, first we need to upload the image. So this is our data set. So here we have six classes. So first we'll test with the one class, zero class I took. If I click predict means the uploaded image and the text also. So the disease is a bacterial spot with the confidence of 100% and the risk category along with the risk percentage and the recommendations like a bacterial infection due to warm and the humid conditions. So what are the preventions we need to take and what are the treatment also? This giving. We'll upload another image. We already tested with the zero class, now first class. So we predict. So this is a black rock. So the same confidence of 100% and risk is high, 85%. So recommendation fungal infection caused by Xanthomonas bacteria. So same like a prevention and treatment also based on this disease it's giving. So we'll check with the another image. I'm going to select the second class. So predict. So uploaded image. So this is a common rust. So confidence of 100%. So risk category is a medium and risk percentage is a 60%. We have the recommendations, prevention, treatment also. Then we'll upload the another image. Now I'm going to upload the image in the third class. So predict. So this is a powdery mildew. So level of 100%, risk is a medium and risk percentage 60%. And these are all the recommendations. So we'll check with the another image also. Now I'm going to select the fourth class image. Fourth class image I had selected. So the preview of the image, and this is the image. It was selected as a spectorial lip spot and the confidence is 100%. Risk category is high. The percentage as of now we are giving 80%. So these are all the recommendations like what are the cause, prevention and treatment. So now we'll check the database. So in the database, totally we predicted 13 times. So high risk cases are 5, medium or 6, low risk or 2. So last we tested with this spectorial spot only. So before poetry, common risk, black road. So these are our database. Whenever we tested, so those data should be stored along with the date time. So today 29 I tested with the bacterial spot. So yesterday I tested with the spectorial spot. So along with the time it will tell. Now we will check with the another. Now I'm going to select the normal. So fifth class is a normal class. Predict. So here you can see. So this is detected as normal. So low risk only 10%. So healthy only. So the causes are like a healthy crop only. So continue monitoring and recommended fertilizer we need to use. And the treatment means no treatment account for normal cases. So if you go and check the database means, so now you can see certain prediction low risk is increased. Before it was a 2, now it was 3. So here you can see before it was a 13, now you added in the database. Thank you.